All right, welcome back to Rusty's Guitar. Today we're going to talk about how to create pentatonic sequences. And I'm going to give you a few tips to help speed up the sequences, the pentatonic scale, and actually just create a few simple phrases in between some of the chord changes to just have fun and express yourself and really come up with your own phrases. So I'm going to bring you in close and let's get right to it. All right, we're going to stay in the A minor box today, A minor pentatonic. Keeping it simple today, I'm going to show you the first thing is, really the main thing I want to show you guys today is how to do a quick sweep with your pick to speed up the notes you're playing. So starting at the top here, I'm going to do a phrase of 5 notes there. And that ends with a downstroke, but I'm going to continue the downstroke and start another phrase of 5. So again, slowly. When you put a lot of speed to it, once you get used to that little sweep, it has a lot of character to it. It's a lot of fun to play that way. And again, slow, and I can't stress enough to make sure you get all the notes clear as you're practicing something like this. A great exercise is in the middle of the neck here, in the middle of the A minor pentatonic scale, would be to start a phrase and just repeat it. So you're starting with a phrase, do the little sweep with your pick, and it doesn't matter so the notes, how many notes you play. You can do a 3-note phrase. Just start really simple, 3 notes there and doing that little sweep. And you see my right hand over here is hardly moving at all. It's just doing, when you do that sweep like that, it just creates a lot of speed without not a lot of effort. So let's just create a few quick phrases with this in this groove right here. All right, and again, after getting into this groove here, I just kind of did a simple phrase, but then I went, it's those same notes, but then just adding double the time that you're playing the phrase. And the other thing I was doing is sweeping, raking up. You've heard that in a lot of improvising and a lot of songs. So I'm still staying within this little box, extending out a little bit with the extension here. And as I was kind of preparing for this lesson, I really realized how much I'm really sweeping that note all the time in almost everything I'm doing. Dig into it with some gain, it really has a lot of effect, and you don't need a lot of other effects, a little bit of reverb, a little bit of delay, and you create this, you can just fall off of some of those phrases actually. So you're doing a simple 3-note phrase. When you put speed to it, a nice, a hard pick attack, it changes how it sounds and how it feels, and just connecting these things can be a lot of fun. Wow, it's a lot of fun creating, obviously I didn't plan any of this I'm playing right now. It just kind of comes out as I'm trying to just create some simple phrases and connect them. But this can be something you can really build on. And Joe Bonamassa and Eric Johnson have taken it to a level that's those simple phrases. They can play this stuff all through the neck, and I'm nowhere near as good as what they're doing it, but I use that a lot in my playing. That simple sweep can just add a lot. It just adds a lot of quickness fast to a phrase, or just a lot of emotion to the notes you're playing. right, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. All your great comments and support. You know, having fun with the guitar. We're so blessed to be able to do that. I play this thing every day and get a little bit better every day maybe, but I know we all want to be better and do. There's a lot of things we have in our head that we want to play, and we just need to get those out on the guitar, and it does take a lot of work. So I can't stress enough, put the time in to just create your own simple phrases and have some backing tracks. Have a simple little loop like I had here is so useful, because the timing is so important with these phrases. And you can keep them so simple, but if you're locked in time and have a good tone, people are going to notice and really like what you're doing. So thanks again for stopping by my channel, and we will see you on the next one.